Well, these designed proteins, also called binders, can speed up all sorts of research, from drug discovery to figuring out how diseases work, to making crops more resistant to pests. Now let's break this down. When you want to create a protein that binds tightly to a target, like say a virus protein that causes C19, it's not easy. Traditional methods are super slow. You have to create binders in the lab, test them, optimize them, then test them again. It's like an endless cycle of trial and error, which, as you can guess, takes forever. But with AlphaProteo, we're talking about a major shortcut. This AI system has been trained on a ton of protein data. We're talking about data from the Protein Data Bank and more than 100 million predicted structures from AlphaFold. So yeah, it's learned a thing or two about how proteins interact. Now, if you give AlphaProteo the structure of a target protein and tell it where you want the protein to bind, it can design a binder protein that fits that target almost perfectly. That's like handing it the blueprint for a lock and having it design the perfect key. And it works on all kinds of proteins. Cancer-related proteins, proteins from viruses like SARS-CoV-2, yes, the one involved in the lockdown era, the C19, and even proteins tied to autoimmune diseases. So far, the results are pretty mind-blowing. In fact, AlphaProteo generated binders for 7 different target proteins,